Stop. Before you pull another all-nighter, drowning in assignments, reading 100 pages you won't even remember, I need you to watch this video first. Because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that are literally changing how university students study, write, research, and pass exams in 2026. And no, this is not basic stuff. This is the toolkit that top students are using right now, while everyone else is still struggling the old way. We're talking about cutting your study time in half, getting better grades, and actually having a life outside of school. You in? Let's go. I've spent the last few months testing literally dozens of AI tools as a student. Most of them trash, a complete waste of time. But these 5, these are the ones that actually moved the needle. The ones I use every single week. So let's get straight into it. Tool number 1. This one is going to save you hours every single week. And if you're the type of person who takes messy notes, or worse, no notes at all, this one is especially for you. Tool number 1 is AI-powered note summarization. Here's how it works. You take your lecture notes, your slides, even a YouTube lecture link, paste it into a tool like NoteGPT or ChatGPT, and within seconds, you get a clean, structured summary. I'm talking 8 pages of biology notes, dense, confusing, hard to read, turned into a 1-page summary with key concepts, definitions, and even quiz questions at the end. Quiz questions, auto-generated from your notes. That is insane. And if you're not doing this already, you are wasting some of your most valuable study hours of the week. That is tool number 1. Don't sleep on it. Tool number 2. This one is going to change the way you do research forever. You know how when you Google something for an assignment, you get 100 ads, random forums, and Wikipedia pages that may or may not even be accurate? Yeah, that ends today. Tool number 2 is Perplexity AI. Think of it like Google, but it actually reads the sources for you and gives you a clean, properly cited answer. You type in your research question and it pulls from real, reliable sources, gives you a structured answer, and shows you exactly where each fact came from. That means no more fake citations, no more guessing whether your source is credible. For essays, research papers, literature reviews, Perplexity AI is your new best friend, and it's completely free. That is tool number 3. Raise your hand if you have ever spent 3 hours building a PowerPoint presentation the night before it was due. Yeah, same. That is over. Tool number 3 is called Gamma, and it builds your entire presentation for you using AI. You literally just type in your topic, something like the impact of social media on mental health, and within 30 seconds, you have a full, polished 10-slide presentation ready to go. Not some ugly basic template either. We're talking professional design, proper structure, and content that actually makes sense, looking like something a design student spent hours on. And everything is fully editable. You can change the colors, swap out content, add your own points. It's completely customizable. Gamma is tool number 3, and it might honestly be the biggest time saver on this entire list. Tool number 4. Tool number 4 is for your writing. And before you say, I already use Grammarly, wait, because this goes way deeper than just fixing your commas. Grammarly in 2026 doesn't just correct grammar. It tells you if your essay sounds too casual for academic writing. It rewrites unclear sentences. It checks for plagiarism. It makes your writing tighter, smarter, and more credible. But here's the combo that's actually powerful. Use Grammarly together with Quillbot. Quillbot paraphrases your writing so it sounds more natural, more academic, and more like you. Students using this combination are getting higher marks just from how their writing reads, not from the ideas, just the presentation. One rule though, write your ideas first, then use AI to polish them, never the other way around. Don't let AI think for you. Let it make your thinking sound better. That is the difference between using AI as a crutch and using it as a real tool. That is tool number 4. And the final tool, this one ties everything together. This is the one that the most productive students I know swear by. Tool number 5 is Notion AI. If you've heard of Notion before, you already know it's one of the best productivity tools for students. But with AI built in, it becomes something else entirely. You can paste in your entire exam timetable and say, build me a study schedule for the next 3 weeks, and it gives you a real structured plan, day by day, topic by topic. You can use it to summarize group project meetings, generate essay outlines, draft emails to your lecturers, organize your deadlines, track your goals, all inside one single app. This is your command center, your second brain, and once you start using it, I promise you will never go back to scattered notebooks and messy Google Docs. That is tool number 5. Okay, let's run it back real quick. Tool 1, AI note summarization. Turn hours of messy notes into clean summaries in seconds. Tool 2, Perplexity AI. Search smarter, cite better, stop wasting time on Google. Tool 3, Gamma. Build beautiful, professional presentations in under a minute. Tool 4, Grammarly plus Quillbot. Write and polish your work like a top student. Tool 5, Notion AI. Organize your entire academic life in one place. These tools exist right now. Most of them are free or very cheap, and most of your classmates have no idea about them yet. That is your advantage. Use it. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe because I've got more of these coming every week. And drop a comment below. Which tool are you trying first? I'll see you in the next one. Let's get